Let's dive into economic outlook for India in 2024. Do you know that India projected GDP growth rate is set to be highest globally? How can you utilize this growth rate for your financial success? I researched for 20 hours to find out interesting forecasts for India in 2024. What are the actions you should take to get the most out of it? Step 1. In 2023, India experienced a remarkable 7.7% GDP growth accompanied by a 5.4% inflation rate. The driving forces behind this growth were the manufacturing and construction sectors, both boasting impressive growth rates of 13.9% and 13.3% respectively. However, agricultural production suffered due to 5-year low monsoon, a trend anticipated to persist in 2024 as well.
भारत का लक्ष्य है अगले 5 साल में अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था को $5 ट्रिलियन तक का विस्तार देना.
Forecasters predict India's GDP growth to moderate slightly to 6.2% in 2024 with inflation at 4.9%. This growth, however, depends heavily on demand from domestic urban consumption. To sustain this, increased private investment is necessary. India's external obligations seem stable. This can be inferred from the lowest external debt to GDP ratio among its peers, standing around 18%. Now let's explore projections for the trade deficit, financial markets, unemployment, and other critical factors. The trade deficit, calculated as imports minus exports, stood at 1.6 to 1.7% of GDP in 2023. Projections indicate similar deficit in 2024, primarily due to decreased exports triggered by slowdowns in major economies like the US, Germany, and Japan.
Real issue, I think, is how we deal with each other. A healthy, competitive environment without having a war with each other, we will be in good
Financial
shape.
markets. The Nifty 50 index soared by 20% in FY 2023, signaling immense business potential. But FY 2024 might witness a 13% growth as foreign direct investments are likely to dip from 28 billion to 22 billion. Unemployment became a concern as global economic slowdowns prompted many companies to pause recruitment, leading to staggering 98% decrease in hiring by major tech firms. Despite this, credit growth is anticipated to stay robust at 12 to 13% in FY 24-25, driven by strong demand in services and retail segment. However, interest rates might witness a 25 basis point decrease in Q3 and Q4 in 2024 due to slowing growth. Elections 2024. The upcoming 2024 elections historically impact the stock market in the short term, with trends showing increased investments by foreign institutional investors (FIIs) and domestic institutional investors (DIIs) during the election year, especially if the party secures a significant majority. Future projections. Looking ahead, numerous organizations predict India's growth trajectory to be exceptional. However, unforeseen pandemics could significantly alter these projections. What actions can you take? Given the anticipated decrease in export, consider substantial investments in companies catering to domestic markets. Be mindful of challenging job markets and make strategic decisions accordingly. Sectors like aerospace, defense, renewables, ethanol, and electric vehicles are poised for high growth and could be best investment options. In conclusion, the discussion revolved around India's growth prospects in 2024, showcasing promise amid challenges. Share your thoughts about the 2024 Indian economy in comments below. Regarding the Houthis attack and its impact on Indian economy, a video link is provided for detailed understanding. Feel free to share your thoughts on the Indian economy in 2024 and its potential outcomes. Subscribe to Eagle Finance for more financial content.